Hello everyone, I'm Monica. I'm a technical trainer in Training and Placement Department at Pace Institute of Technology and Sciences. Now I'm going to explaining about the problem statement which is asked in companies screening test. The problem statement is write a program such that it takes a lower limit and upper limit as inputs and print all the intermediate palindrome numbers. You want to print the palindrome numbers which are lies in between the lower limit and upper limit. So here want to know the first concept is palindrome. What is palindrome? Okay. Palindrome, palindrome number means suppose if you take the input as 1 to 1, when you reverse that number, okay, 1 to 1. So reading number and reverse number is same, then it is a palindrome. Okay, what is palindrome means? Take an input and reverse that input and compare those input and reverse number, then these two are same, then it is a palindrome number. How we can write the palindrome logic in Python programming language? Okay, first I want to take one input value. The input value is integer, n is equal to 121. Now I want to check 121 is a palindrome number or not. The logic is 121 modulo divisible by 10. What we will get? What we'll get? We'll get the remainder part, because here I use a modulo division. 121 by 10 means 10 12s 120. The remainder is 1. Okay, what is the remainder? Remainder is 1. Here you will get a 1 value. What is that value? Last value in the digit. Here what is the last value in 121? 1 is the last value. Next, I want to reduce the 121 to 12. Why I want to reduce means in 121 I already got the last digit as 1. Okay, remaining number is what? 12. Okay, how I can reduce the number? 121 by 10. In Python language, we have the concept of floor division. Here I am using floor division. 121 by 10 means what we will get means coefficient. What is the coefficient? 10 12s. Coefficient is 12. You observe that here I am getting 12 as a number. Here removing the 1. How I will get? By floor division by 10. Okay, this is a step 1. Okay, now step 2. Now same concept I am repeating. Now I am doing 12 modulo divisible by 10. What I am getting here? 12 modulo divisible by 10 means remainder. What is the remainder? 2. In step 1, I get the number 1 from last one after 2. Now I am reducing the number 12 floor divisible by 10. Now what I am getting? 10 ones 10. Remainder is 2 and coefficient is 1. Here the coefficient is what? 1. Step 3. Same process what I done in step 1 and step 2, that concept is repeating. 1 modulo divisible by 10. What is the remainder? 10 zeros 0. 10 minus 0, remainder is 1. Okay. In step 1 what I get? 1 is the remainder. Okay. Step 2 what I get? 2 is the remainder. In step 3 what I get? 1 is the remainder. Okay. Now I am reducing the number 1 by 10. What is the coefficient? 0. If you get the 0 as a coefficient, then you can stop. Okay. In step 1, I get 1. In step 2, I got 2. In step 3, 1. 1, 2, 1. But it is not a 121. Now I am receiving only 1, 2, 1. Here I want to perform the operation to get the 121. What is the formula means? Remainder is equal to given number by 10. Here we will get the remainder part. Then I am doing sum is equal to sum into 10. It is a one function. Sum is equal to sum into 10 plus remainder. Next part is I am reducing the number. N is equal to n floor divisible by 10. Okay, this is the logic. Okay, first I am getting the remainder. After getting the remainder, I am performing the operation. What is that operation? Sum is equal to sum into 10 plus remainder. How that operation will work? You can see I can explain. Input n is equal to 121. Okay. Step 1. What is the remainder? 121 modulo divisible by 10. Here remainder is the 1. Next, I am performing the operation. What is sum variable holds? Initially, I am assigning sum is equal to 0. Why I am assigning sum is equal to 0? Because if I am not assigning any value to the local variable, it will take as a garbage value. That's why I am initializing sum is equal to 0. 0 into 10 plus what is the remainder variable holds? 1. 0 into anything 0 plus 1. After the completion of the operation, some variable holds the 1. This process is done in step 1. Okay. After next statement is n is equal to n floor division by 10. What n variable holds? N variable holds 121. Floor divisible by 10. What it will returns? It will returns the coefficient 10, 12, 120. Coefficient is 12. Okay, this is step 1. Next, step 2. Same statements I am writing in step 2 also. Remainder is equal to n modulo divisible by 10. Okay, what n variable holds? After completion of step 1, n variable holds the value 12. 12 modulo divisible by 10. What it will returns? It will returns the remainder. 10 ones 10. 12 minus 10, 2. Okay, next I am performing the operation. Sum is equal to sum into 10 plus remainder. Okay. What sum variable holds? After completion of step 1, sum variable holds the value 1. Okay, 1 into 10 plus remainder. What remainder variable holds? 2. After performing the operation, 1 tens 10, 10 plus 2, 12. Now, some variable holds the 12 value. Okay. Now, next step what I want to do? I want to reduce the number. Okay. N is equal to n floor divisible by 10. What n variable holds? 12. 12 floor divisible by 10. What here will get? It returns the coefficient. 10 ones 10. Okay. Coefficient is what? 1. Now, I am moving to step 3. Same statement. Remainder is equal to n modulo divisible by 10. What n variable holds after completion of step 2? N variable holds the value 1. 1 modulo divisible by 10. What it will returns? It returns the remainder. 10 zeros 0. 1 minus 0 1. Remainder variable holds the value 1. Next operation is sum is equal to sum into 10 plus remainder. Okay. What sum variable holds after completion of step 2? Sum variable holds the value 12. Okay. 12 into 10 plus what remainder variable holds? Plus 1. Okay. 12 tens 120. 120 plus 1? 121. Okay. Next step is I am reducing the number. What number? N value. N value. Here n holds the value 1. N is equal to n by 10. What n variable holds? 1. 1 by 10. What it will return? Coefficient. 10 zeros. Okay. Coefficient is 0. Okay, here you get the value 0. When you will reach the 0 means the condition is fail. You want to stop the steps. Okay, here how many steps you get for 121? You get the steps 3. This is a logic. How you want to write the logic for palindrome? First, I want to reduce the number. How we can reduce the number? By using floor division. How you can get the digit by digit from last to first? By using modulo division. Okay, suppose the given number is 121 means how you can find that 121 is a palindrome number or not? I want to get one by one number from the reading number 121 from last to first. Okay, modulo divisible by 10 means I am getting the numbers, individual numbers from the number. Next, I want to reduce the number means I want to use the concept floor division concept. Okay. Now, I want to solve the problem by using Python programming language. Okay. I am moving to the editor, Python editor. Now, I am checking the given number is palindrome number or not. Now, I want to read a number as a integer number. In Python, we can read the input by using input function. In Python, input function default takes the string type. Okay, if you use the input function to read the input from the keyword, by default type of the input is string, but in this program I want to read the input as a integer. Okay, then I want to use the concept type conversion. What is type conversion? Type conversion means converting one data type into another data type. Now I want to convert string data type into integer data type. So here I am using int function to convert string to integer. Okay, here int is a predefined function to convert string to integer. Now I am storing the value into the variable m is equal to value. Now I am checking what is the type of m by using type function, type of m. If I want to print the output in output screen, then I use print statement to print the data. Print. Print is a function. It is a predefined function to print the data to output screen. What I am printing? What type of data m variable holds? Okay. Now I am reading 121. What is 121? 121 is a integer type data. Okay, here it is written in class, int class. Okay, integer data type present in int class. Okay, in this program I just read a one input. This is a integer input. Now I am checking the reading input is a palindrome number or not. Okay, I already discussed in theory. Now I am executing in Python programming language. Okay, first what I done, reminder is equal to m modulo divisible by 10. Next what I write, someone is equal to someone into 10 plus reminder. Next what step I wrote, reducing the number. M is equal to m floor divisible by 10. Okay, how many steps repeating? If I take m is equal to 121, how many steps repeated? 3 steps. But what logic I write in 3 steps? Same logic, same logic multiple times. On that time, what concept we want to use? Looping concept. What is the use of loops? Same thing multiple times means in that time want to use the concept loops. You can use either for loop, either while loop or do while loop. Okay, here I am using while loop. Okay, while. What we want to pass for while function. Function. Why I am saying while function? Because after while you have a parenthesis. Parenthesis means function. Function takes argument. What while function takes? Condition. When while block will execute? When condition is true. Here we can pass condition or direct value or true. When condition is true, only while block will be executed. Okay, here what I want to pass to while block, I am passing the m value because m variable holds what value? 121. Here we can observe that I am using hash pound symbol because in Python programming language single line comment is declared by using hash symbol. Okay, hash means it is a comment. Interpreter omits the comment lines. It does not executed. Okay. M variables holds 121. What I said, when while block will be executed? When condition is true. Here I am passing condition? No, here I am passing just a value. When while block fails, it 0 or false. Otherwise, it will true. Here 121 is 0 or 121 is false? No. When while block fails, it contains 0 or false. Okay, here m value holds the 121. Condition is true. It goes to inside while loop. What is the indentation? Indentation rule follows tab space. So here I want to give tab space. Okay, now I am moving to the inside while loop. Okay, REM is equal to, okay, what m variable holds? 121. 121 by 10. What it will returns? Okay, 10 12 121. Okay, 10 12 120. Reminder is what? 1. Next it moves to next line. What someone variable holds? Someone. What someone holds? It is a local variable. It contains garbage value. So I want to assign someone is equal to 0. Okay, 0 into 10 plus what remainder variable holds? REM variable 1. 0 into anything, 0. 0 plus 1, 1. What sum one variable holds now after completion of operation? 1. Then interpreter moves to next line. M is equal to M. What M variable holds? 121 by 10. What it will returns? I already said in theory. What it will returns? It will returns the coefficient 10 twelves. Coefficient is what? 12. Okay, again it moves to while loop. Okay, after m is equal to m by 10, any statements is there? There is no statements. Then interpreter moves to while condition. Now while of m. Now what m variable holds? Here you can see m variable holds the value 12. Now 121 is reduced to 12. Okay, while of 12, its condition is true or false? It is a true. When condition fails, it will be 0 or false. Okay, here 12 is a value. It is not true, false or 0. Then condition is true. It moves inside while loop. Okay, what m variable holds? 12. 12 by 10. 12 by 10 means remainder is 10 once 10, remainder is 2. Okay, next line, sum1 is equal to sum1 into 10. What sum1 variable holds in step 1, first iteration? Sum1 variable holds the value 1. Okay, so 1 into 10. What remainder variable holds? 2. Okay, 1 tens 10 plus 2, which is equal to 12. Now, sum one variable holds the value 12. Next line, I am reducing the m value. M is equal to what value? 12. 12 by 10. What it will returns? Coefficient 1. So, m variable holds the value 1. Okay, now it goes to while loop. What m variable holds? 1. While of 1, condition is true. Then it comes to inside while loop. Okay, m by 10. M means 1. 1 by 10. What it will returns? 10 0 0. 1 minus 0 1. Okay, next statement, sum1 is equal to sum1. What sum1 variable holds? Here sum1 variable holds the value 12. 12 into 10. What remainder variable holds? You are observing here, remainder variables holds the value 1. Sorry. Remainder variable holds the value 1. 12 tens, how much? 120. 120 plus 1, 121. Okay, sum one variable holds the value 121. Now I am reducing the value m. M is equal to m by 10. What m variable holds? 1. 1 by 10. 1 by 10 means coefficient is 0. So, m variable holds the value 0. Now, I am moving to the while condition. While of 0. Here condition is true. When while block execute, either condition is true or another value except 0 or false. Okay, na? Here m variable holds the value 0 means condition false. Then it interpreter comes outside of while loop. Okay, now I am writing the condition of palindrome. When it is a palindrome, number is a palindrome reading number. Okay, m is equal to reverse number. Which variable holds the reverse number? Sum1. Okay, sum1. Then condition is true. Condition means what we want to use? The if statement. If m is equal to sum1. Okay, then it is a print palindrome. Okay, then palindrome. Else print not palindrome. Okay. Once you can observe the if condition, M is equal to someone, is equal to is a operator, is used to compare the left hand side value and right hand side value. If both values are true, then only if block will be executed. Is equal to operator returns either true or false. When it will returns true, both two sides values are same. But here m variable holds what value? You can observe that in while loop finally m variable holds what value? 0. 0 is equal to someone. What someone variable holds finally? 121. Okay, but in initial stage, what m variable holds? 121. What is the reading value? What the input we taken? 121 into the m variable. But here you can perform the operation on m. That why m value changed. That's why I am taking the m value into the temporary variable before performing the operations. Why I am taking the temporary variable? Why I am taking the temporary variable? Because I am performing the operations on reading value m. That's why I'm taking another variable temp and assigning the m value, reading value to the temp. Now I am comparing the someone with the temp. Okay. Now I am executing this program. F5. I am giving the input 121. What is the output? It is a palindrome. What is the output? It is a palindrome. I am giving 25. It is not a palindrome. Okay. I think, or you get my point, it is a logic for palindrome, but it is not a answer for the problem statement they given. Here, what the problem statement they given? Write a program such that it takes a lower limit and upper limit as inputs. Here, how many inputs want to read? Two inputs I want to read. Okay. See. One input I already taken, another input n is equal to int of input. Both inputs are integer type only. So now what I want to do? I want to print all the palindrome numbers in between m to n. Now I am just commenting this code by using multi-line comment. In Python, multi-line comment means docstring. Okay. Now I am printing the numbers in between m to n because in the problem statement they given print all the prime numbers in between m to n. Now I am taking the concept looping concept for loop. For I in range of starting range what? Starting value m and ending value what? N. Here they cannot mention include upper limit also. Okay, that's why I am taking just n. N means it will read up to n minus 1 value. See, you can identify what is the output. Print I. Okay, I am giving 5. F5 I press. What the sample input they taken? 10, 80. Okay, 10 and 80. What I got from 10 to up to 79 numbers. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and so on up to 79. What is the upper limit value array? 80. But it does not take 80 because in range function ending value takes ending value minus 1. Okay. Now now I want to print all the palindrome numbers in between the range. Okay, I already wrote the concept of palindrome. Okay, palindrome logic I already write. Same concept I am repeating here. Okay, while of I. Okay, I variable holds. Suppose m holds the value 10, n holds the value 80. Okay, while of I variable holds what value? M value. M value is nothing but the 10. Now I am checking. Reminder, REM is equal to I modulo divisible by 10. Okay, next someone is equal to someone into 10 plus REM. I already explained this concept. Next, I am reducing the I value. I is equal to I by 10. Okay. After completion of while loop, I am checking that I value is a palindrome or not. If I already said I value holds the 0 after completion of while loop. That's why I am taking the temporary variable to holds the I value. Here I am checking temp is equal to someone, then it is a palindrome number. Here I want to print that number, not a string. It is a palindrome. I want to print that number. What is the number is palindrome or not? Print what I want to print. You can print either temp or someone because both variable holds the same value when those two values are is equal. Okay, else spot is not mandatory. Here else spot is not mandatory because in the test cases they print only palindrome numbers, not palindrome numbers they did not print. That's why I'm not using here else spot. Okay. Initially someone variable holds what value? 0. Okay. What's the steps I repeated in theory or in palindrome program? Same steps I used here. Okay. 10, 80. 1 second. I'm executing. I'm closing the editor. Here I am giving M as 10 and N as 80. What I get? 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77. These are all palindrome numbers. You can see here 11, 12, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77. Those numbers only we get in output, but in output they are in same line with the separation comma, but here how we get in new line. Okay, but here we want to print in same line with the comma separation. Here print function is used to print the data in output screen. Print function takes the argument as end, sorry. Print function takes one argument, that is end function. By default, if you not give end function, end attribute, it will takes as a slash n. Slash n means what? Slash n is a new line character. That's why here not give end attribute. But in output, the print statement test case output comma separation. That's why here end attributes takes comma. Okay. Now I am executing. F5, 10 as m value and n value is the 80. Upper limit value is 10 and lower limit value is 80. Here you want to print all the palindrome numbers in between 10 and 80. Okay, here see. You can observe that the numbers, palindrome numbers in between 10 and 80. Okay, I hope you can understand this problem. Thank you for giving this opportunity.